Engine room maintenance is the backbone of any successful maritime operation. Every day, as marine engineers, we step into this vital space where the heart of the ship beats. Daily checks are not just routine, they're essential for ensuring operational reliability. We start with engine room rounds, a systematic inspection of machinery, gauges, and systems. It's about knowing what to look for, any unusual sounds, leaks, or temperature fluctuations. These small details can prevent major issues down the line. Next, let's talk about the Planned Maintenance System, or PMS. This is our roadmap, guiding us through scheduled tasks that keep everything running smoothly. It's not just about fixing things when they break, it's about anticipating problems before they arise. Regularly checking oil levels, filters, and coolant systems ensures that our engines operate at peak performance. Following the PMS diligently can extend the life of our equipment and save us from costly repairs. Safety protocols are non-negotiable in the engine room. We work with heavy machinery, high temperatures, and pressurized systems. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is our first line of defense. Hard hats, gloves, and safety goggles are essential. But safety goes beyond gear. It's about fostering a culture of awareness. Every crew member must understand emergency procedures, from fire drills to equipment shutdowns. Regular safety drills keep us sharp and ready for any situation. Expert tips from seasoned chief engineers can be invaluable. They emphasize the importance of communication within the team. Sharing observations and concerns can lead to early detection of potential issues. They also stress the need for continuous learning. The maritime industry is always evolving, with new technologies and practices emerging. Staying updated through training and workshops is crucial for any aspiring marine engineer. Tools of the trade are just as important as knowledge. A good set of hand tools, calibrated gauges, and diagnostic equipment can make all the difference. Familiarity with these tools allows us to troubleshoot effectively and perform maintenance tasks efficiently. Investing in quality equipment pays off in reliability and safety. In summary, engine room maintenance is a blend of diligence, expertise, and teamwork. It's about ensuring that every component works harmoniously, contributing to the ship's overall performance. For those of us who live this life at sea, it's not just a job, it's a commitment to excellence and safety. Whether you're just starting your journey or are a seasoned seafarer, embracing these principles will lead to a successful and fulfilling career in marine engineering.